Today we look at two key secrets to wealth when buying a property. So what accelerates your wealth when you're buying properties, whether you're buying land or you're buying houses? Okay, one of them is buy below the market price. Someone says, how? Okay, now there are sometimes offers that come that you can buy below the market price. It can be a distress sale if you're buying a house. If you're buying from a real estate firm like us, Latera, there are times you do buy 3 to get 1. So you buy 5 to get 1. Now that extra one, remember, it's property, it's money, it's land. It's not free. So you're eventually getting it below the market price. We have launch prices. When real estate firm does pre-launch, you may not get to see the property then. Once it's a trusted real estate firm like us, you know what that means? You're buying below the market price, because when it's now launched at the launch price, you get it 50% above that. So remember, buy below the market price. So invariably, you're already at money. Second, utilize cash. Once you have a bulk cash and you're making payments, you're not doing a down, you're not spreading for 3 months, you're not spreading for 6 months. Ask for a better deal. Real estate firms will not tell you that, but ask for a better deal. Okay? Thank you.